Simplifying expressions. The objective of this video is to learn how to apply the distributive property. So what does the distributive property actually mean? It basically means just to multiply a number into two or more terms. So if I have, let's pretend, the number 3, and then parentheses, and I have two other terms or even three other terms, it basically means the 3 is being multiplied by the first term, which was 10, and the second term, which was 2. And then we would just do that operation, add or subtract. So let's take a look at a few examples. If I have the number 10 on the outside of the parentheses, I'm going to distribute, and I'm going to use these two arrows to kind of guide myself what I'm going to multiply with what. So 10 is going to be multiplied with R, and 10 is going to be multiplied with -6. I know that the 6 is negative because when I look to the left of 6, there is a minus sign there. So 10 and R, because I have a number and a letter, and I'm multiplying, you can't really do that, so we just write 10R together. And then 10 times -6 is -60, and I would write that together because I'm basically simplifying an expression. My final answer will be some expression. It will not be a number. So again, I am going to multiply with the first term. I will multiply with the second term. If it's helpful, you can rewrite it with what you're going to multiply with what. This step is not necessary. So distributive property basically means this, and then we're just going to simplify using order of operations. So -6 times 10 is -60. Keep the R. -6 times -5, because they are both the same, it produces a positive answer. So I will get a +30 instead of a -30. So now I'm going to do this without rewriting. I'm just going to use my arrows to kind of tell me where to multiply. So -7 and K just become -7K. -7 times 10 is -70. One last time, 10 with -2x, 10 with -1. So 10 times -2 is -20. We keep the x. 10 times -1 is -10, so -10. Now you try. Simplify the expressions below, pause your video, see if you can get it on your own, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So remember, using the arrows is helpful to remember what you are multiplying with what. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times -9 is -36. We are talking about the letter B, so the B comes with us. Let me just change that 36 so it looks like a 6 and not a B. Okay, again, -9 with 2, -9 with -10. So the -9 times 2 is -18. Keep the x. -9 times -10, because they're both negatives, that's going to produce a positive answer. 9 times 10 is 90. You really want to be using your brain and not a calculator for these multiplications. Otherwise, you're going to make your life a little more harder once we get into deeper algebra 1.